Turn on the screen, we're smiling so bright. Little treasures glow.
Hello, little treasures. Today we will be learning about verbs. What is a verb? Verbs are action words. Verbs can be used to describe an action or something that is happening. Verbs can be used to describe how someone or something is feeling. Let's look at some examples. Climbing, sleeping, laughing, dancing, riding, swimming, singing, reading. Let's spot the verb in each sentences. He's drinking water. Identify the verb in this sentence. Drinking. The dog runs fast. Identify the verb in this sentence. Runs. The flower smells nice. Identify the verb in this sentence. Smells. The cat meows loudly. Identify the verb in this sentence. Meows. We eat lunch together. Identify the verb in this sentence. Eat. Let's sing our verb song.
Jump and run, let's have some fun. Sing and dance until the sun. Verbs are actions, can you see? Learning's fun for you and me. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, laugh and play, feel the beat. Verbs in action every day. Join us now and shout hooray. Verbs are cool, they make us move. Jump, climb, slide, we improve. Action words in everything. Let's all learn, let's all sing. Ride your bike or kick a ball. Paint a picture, climb a wall. Verbs are in the things we do. Learning verbs, it's so cool too. Spin around and touch the sky. Wave your hands and say goodbye. Verbs are everywhere we go. Now it's time for you to show.